What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabrielle.tongol, but you can call me Gabs. And for today's video, we are going to go over my current favorites. It's been a hot minute since I've done a favorites video. I used to do them on a monthly basis, and then, you know, we got inconsistent with YouTube, but we're changing that. And honestly, I've got a lot of different favorites than my last video. Like, I don't even think I've done one yet in 2020, so this is definitely very necessary. I know previously in my other videos, you guys definitely enjoy seeing, you know, my current favorites when it comes to beauty, fitness, every day, and now I have a dog, so, you know, maybe I'll include some dog favorites. I don't know, we'll see where this video goes, but regardless, if you guys want to know my current favorites, then just keep watching. If you guys end up trying any of the products that I mentioned today, please let me know on Instagram so we can talk about it. Let me know your thoughts. Do you agree with me? Do you not? Do you have an alternative? Or you guys can also comment down below in the comment section as well. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Also, can we appreciate my hair today? I don't know. What do you guys think? Are you guys liking this hairstyle? Someone called it the party pony, and I'm kind of digging it, giving me like total Ariana Grande vibes, you know what I mean? So I've been filming a lot recently because I'm really trying to up my YouTube game, my Instagram content game, so I've been doing my makeup so much. So like, hands down, all of the makeup products that I've been using have been my favorite, but if I were to really narrow it down, the two things that I've been honestly just loving so much is, number one, my eyelashes. I'm wearing the brand Tiffany Teal collection right now. These are the style Kylie, and usually on a day-to-day I'll wear Debbie or I'll wear Ava. These three styles have been my go-to literally since the beginning of quarantine, because we all know we have to get rid of our lash extensions, which you guys all know I love and like need all the time. But once quarantine happened, I fell in love with strip lashes again. Like, dare I say it, but I thought I was never going to go back to strip lashes, and look where we are now. We can get lash extensions now, but I'm just still not reaching for it, you know? So strip lashes have been my absolute life, specifically the Tiffany Teal ones, because they are so high quality. I can reuse them so many times. Like, yes, they're a bit of a pretty penny, but you can reuse them so much. The lashes are super easy to apply. I know a lot of you guys might be picky about the lash band, but super awesome, flexible, and like not too stiff. It's great for beginners, and they're even great for those who are pro at putting lashes as well. Okay, next up is, obviously, if you look back on a few videos, I used to be pitch black hair, and I'm now blonde, like very blonde. Huge shout out to the extensionists here in Calgary. They literally did an amazing job on my blonde hair. We kept as much length as possible. It still feels healthy, and the color is just so gorgeous. So if you guys are looking for someone to do your hair transformation, whether it's color, extensions, they do hair replacement pieces, they literally do so much. They're incredibly talented. They are located in Calgary, Kelowna, and Edmonton, so I highly recommend you guys check them out. And so obviously, going from one extreme to another, some damage is like bound to happen, and so my hair is a little bit more on the drier side. So what I've been doing is doing a lot of Olaplex. I literally bought the whole range of Olaplex the minute I went blonde, and I've been using it on a regular basis since I've been blonde, and my hair feels so nice. I'm sure you guys can also tell in like videos, like, it's just not super like hay-like, it's not straw-like, like it looks very healthy considering we went from one extreme to another. So although it's a pretty penny, I can tell you that it's so worth it. And honestly, with being blonde, and even before I was blonde, I don't wash my hair very often. I don't do very much to it to begin with, and so although the bottles are a little small, they do last me a really long time because I am only using it, you know, once a week. Some products I do use a little bit more often, but maybe I'll do like a full hair care routine for blonde hair in the future. Let me know if this is something that you're interested in, and I'd be happy to do that. Regardless, Olaplex has literally saved my hair and has really like restored it in such a short amount of time. So during the summer, my eczema has flared up like crazy. Honestly, I've never really had eczema up until this year, and so along my neck, it was just so itchy, so dry, it was painful. And then recently I've been trying the brand called Look Organics, and I've been using their toner as well as their Restore cream, and you guys, the difference in my eczema is huge. Like, it's made such a drastic difference, and what I absolutely love about this brand is that they're all organic as well. So I love just knowing that I'm putting like clean ingredients on my skin. So if you guys are looking for something that will help with any dry patches, eczema, or if you just want something that's super hydrating and that's organic organic using natural ingredients. I do have a code that you guys can save 5% off your entire order. Honestly, literally restored my skin, my neck. It was just a lifesaver. So highly recommend for those who do suffer with dry skin and just haven't quite found something. I personally haven't used it on my face just because I think it's a little too thick for my face, but when it comes to the dry patches, it's like a game changer. You guys know that I would not affiliate myself with a company that I did not believe in, and so although I do have a discount code with them and I do make a small commission, I truly love their products. The Restore cream, like I've been talking about, has been a game changer, but I've also loved the product Renew as well. This has been something that I've been using every single night on my skin, and I've gotten so many compliments on my skin recently, and I honestly think that using the Renew has made a drastic difference. Speaking of skincare, I found a new gentle cleanser, which I never ever thought I would buy myself or that I would, you know, give into because it's one of those like social media products, but Kylie's Skin, can we give her a little bit of appreciation here? I bought Kylie Cosmetics like a long time ago, like kind of in the beginning of when she launched that company, but Kylie's Skin, I was like, I don't know, like I don't know if it's gonna be worth it and stuff, and like, you know, with the US dollar to Canadian dollar, it's just a lot, okay? And then my mom actually got the Kylie Skin in her BoxyCharm, so I was like, oh, I'll give this a try, and I've been using that foaming cleanser every single day. It is so foamy, smells so amazing, and it makes your skin feel just fresh, you know? Definitely if I want something more harsh, like I use something else, but overall, this has replaced my everyday cleanser. I used to use the Mario Badescu one. That one is now on the shelf sitting lonely because this Kylie Skin is so good. Like, it's so good that I literally looked on Facebook Marketplace ASAP to get a backup bottle because I'm like, well, I don't want to spend that US dollar, so I found someone else on Marketplace. I was like, oh, I didn't like it, so I was like, mine. So yeah, I've been really just into skincare products lately, and I just love it so much. Obviously, I've been playing around a little bit with my hair, you know, trying to, you know, be a little bit more than just my ponytail, trying to be a little bit more than my greasy ass hair. And so I've been using this curler here on the screen that you're seeing. Guys, it comes with 8 different attachments. Like, what? So I love wand curlers to begin with, and so I had this one for like years, and then I kind of wanted to like change up the barrel size, the barrel style, so I can get different kind of curls. And then I got this one, and although it is made of plastic, so it does feel a little bit on the cheaper side, it performs really well, it does the job, and I've been having so much fun doing my hair, my cousin's hair, and I just love how interchangeable the barrels are so that you can get so many different kind of curls. Recently, I've been learning a lot about the way you can curl thanks to TikTok and how you can achieve different looks. So I've definitely been, like I said, just playing around with some hairstyles so I can change it up for you guys. And for this product, as well as everything else that I mentioned in this video, you guys can always check them out in my description box down below. I'll have direct links to everything. Alright, so obviously we've been in a pandemic for a while, and a lot of us are not training at gyms. Personally, for myself, the only thing I've been doing is F45, you know, twice a week. But other than that, I've been doing a lot of my workouts at home because, you know, you definitely can have an effective workout at home. You just need to have the right tools, the right mindset, and everything like that. And I talk about this a little bit more in this video here. So if you guys want some at-home workout tips and things that I think everybody needs for an at-home gym, then check out this video here. And so one of those products that have been helping me so much with my at-home workouts and literally mimic the cable machine so much. And if you're someone like me, I don't have a fully decked out home gym or anything like that. I literally have a treadmill, a few dumbbells, and then this product here, which is my GABS bands. And you guys, I created this product, and I'm not just saying it's the best because it's mine. I'm saying it because it truly is. And what's amazing about the GABS bands and what makes it truly unique is the fact that you get 3 different resistance bands, and they're the rubber loop ones, which I think are the best ones out of all the resistance bands out there. In addition, you get a door anchor, you get handles, you get clips to attach the handles, and then you also get an ankle strap, and you get a traveling bag. So literally everything you need to mimic a cable machine is there. And not only that, but the bands are great to just add that extra resistance to your dumbbells, household items, whatever you're using as your load. Again, I share a little bit more tips when it comes to at-home workouts in this video here, so just make sure to check that out if you guys want to hear me talk about that a little bit more. By the time you're watching this, I might be sold out, but I do highly recommend that you guys sign up for the email notifications if you just scroll all the way to the bottom of gabrielle.tongol.ca, and you guys can get all the emails in regards to restocks happening happening, and I am doing a little bit of an upgrade to the accessories, so look out for that. And I might be doing a new booty product that's not your typical booty band, but you're gonna have to look out on my Instagram for that update, but it's definitely something that I know my ladies are going to love. So anyways, that is one of my fitness favorites of the month. I'm so sorry if you can hear a bell. It's Cash right below me playing with his toy. The next current favorite of mine is Oversized Tees. Right now I'm wearing this extra large one. This is an Power for those who are wondering. I did not tie-dye this myself. Queen. Excuse me. I did not make this one myself, but at the beginning of this pandemic, I was a tie-dye Gosh, excuse me. I did not make this one myself, but in the beginning of this pandemic, I was a tie-dye queen. But I've been absolutely loving like the oversized tee with biker shorts kind of look all summer. So I definitely stocked up on a whole bunch of large, extra large t-shirts. And it's just a vibe, you know, it's a style, it's what everyone's into, and it just looks so cute in my opinion. So oversized tees have been my thing, and obviously with that is biker shorts as well. I absolutely love the Buffbunny collection Live shorts. They're such a perfect length and the material is so soft and stretchy. Hands down my favorite biker shorts. But some of my other biker shorts are actually from Walmart or Aritzia in the brand TNA, and those have been my go-to biker shorts all summer long. And so this next one is definitely a new favorite of mine because I just got it a few weeks ago, but literally since I got it, I've been using it every single day. And you guys, this is called the Game Changer Wallet by Buffbunny collection. And you guys, the name isn't just to be the name. Like, it's truly a game changer because there's so many different ways you can wear it. There's so many functionalities from it as well. And what I love the most about it, aside from being able to wear it so many different ways, like literally you can wear it like as if it was 5 different bags. But aside from that, what I love the most is the detachable part inside. It's literally so easy to just open it up and rip that part out and have your ID with you, your favorite cards with you, some coins if you need to, and even you can fit your keys in that little pouch as well. And so these days with COVID-19, they strongly encourage you to bring minimal things as possible into the buildings. And so all I do is grab that and my phone and I'm good to go. And obviously, since we're currently in a pandemic when you're watching this, face masks have been the ultimate accessory for everybody. So my favorite face masks have been from Cage Customs. She makes reversible ones, which is amazing. So when you get one, you get actually two. And there's so many cute designs. Like, look at the tie-dyes, look at the leopard, like just so many options. And I mean, I don't know about you guys, but these days I'm all about trying to match my face covers to my outfits. So like I literally have 4 pairs of them and they're all reversible. So technically I have like 8. And so they're always, you know, everywhere. They're hanging by the door, they're in my car, they're in my purse, they're literally everywhere. So yeah, if you're looking some cute ass face covers, I definitely recommend Cage Customs. They don't have a wiring or anything like that, but honestly they're just perfect, especially since they are mandatory here in Canada. My favorite drink has been these ice waters from Costco or any kind of grocery store, but it's basically just carbonated water that's flavored. Absolutely been loving them so much. They're just so bomb and they're 0 calories, so I mean you can't go wrong there. In addition, I've been loving this Starbucks drink here on the screen. It's a little bit of a twist on the strawberries and cream drink that I get from my Calorie Hacks Bible, but this time we're going with the mango refresher as the base rather than the passion tea, and man, is it a game changer. Is it just so delicious, and it's like super aesthetic too. So as far as food goes, I've been really onto the sour strips candy because it's like a perfect amount of sourness, and it like, I need like 1 or 2 pieces and I'm good. I mean, it's not healthy or anything, but it's just really good. And then in addition to that, I've been really liking my baby food. Yes, this baby food here is so good, you guys, and very low calorie, and you can have the entire can. That's right, you can have the entire can. This one again is from my Calorie Hacks Bible as well, and it's in there for a reason, and that's why it's a part of the Bible, you know, like it's a must have. Great for snacking, great for saving calories, and it tastes so good. Don't judge me until you try it. And then the final favorite is Cash's treats and his toys. I got them off Amazon. They're the cheapest place to get them, and he absolutely loves them. He's going through his teething stage, and they have been lifesavers. They've stopped him from eating up the carpet and the couch. couch and just things he's not supposed to. And again, it's cheapest to get them on Amazon, and what's nice about them is once he does kind of tear through these toys, they're not super expensive and it's really easy to just get another bundle. And I mean, you get so many for the price. Alright you guys, so that is the end of my favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little bit different. Again, I haven't done one of these in a really long time, so let me know if you guys enjoyed it by giving it a thumbs up. If there's any other videos that you guys would like to see, please make sure to comment down below and let me know, and I will get it done for you guys. And again, all the products that I mentioned today will be linked in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out if you guys want to know exactly where I got specific things. Also, if there are codes that you guys can use to save some money, I'll have those in the description box as well. I'm all about saving money, so don't worry, I got you guys. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my Gab family here on YouTube yet, I will leave that button for you guys to do so over here. And if you guys want to watch any of my other videos, I'll leave some over here for you guys as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!